Welcome back to our Computer Networking and Cybersecurity series. In this video, we will be discussing one of the most important aspects of networking, network performance. How fast and reliable is your network? What factors can affect performance? And how can you identify bottlenecks or issues in your network? Let's dive in. Hi again, I am Mishri Patel and we are going to understand network performance in this video. We will also look at some common issues that impact network efficiency and how to address them. To evaluate network performance, we need to understand a few key terms. Let's start with the three major factors: loss, delay, and throughput. First one is loss, packet loss. First up, this occurs when data packets fail to reach their destination. Packet loss can happen due to network congestion, faulty hardware, or even issues with the network configuration. Packet loss can cause disruption in services like video streaming or VoIP calls. For example, if you are on a video call and experience packet loss, your conversation might get choppy or you might lose connection entirely. Let's talk about delay, also known as latency. This refers to the time it takes for a packet to travel from its source to its destination. Latency is crucial in applications that require real-time communication such as online gaming or video conferencing. High latency can lead to be noticeable lag, which can ruin the user experience, especially in time-sensitive applications like voice calls or remote desktop access. Next factor is throughput, which is often referred to as the available bandwidth. This is the amount of data that can be transmitted over a network in a given period of time, typically measured in bits per second. High throughput is essential for transferring large files, streaming high-definition videos, or running multiple applications over the network. Insufficient throughput can result in slow downloads, buffering, or delays in large data transfers. Here are network performance concepts: queuing, transmission delay, and packet loss. Now that we have covered the key factors influencing performance, let's dive into some specific concepts. First is queuing. Queuing occurs when network devices like routers or switches need to temporarily hold data before forwarding them to the next destination. When the network becomes congested, the data packets are queued, waiting for available bandwidth. While queuing is a natural part of how networks work, excessive queuing can increase latency and decrease throughput, leading to performance bottlenecks. Delay. Transmission delay is the time it takes for a packet to travel from the source device to the network medium. It depends on factors like the size of packet and the speed of the transmission medium, for example, fiber optic, Wi-Fi, etc. Transmission delay is affected by factors like network capacity and physical distance. Large data packets naturally take more time to transmit. Packet loss. Packet loss happens when some packets are dropped during transmission. This could be due to network congestion, faulty hardware, or weak signal strength. Packet loss leads to incomplete data transfer, and if it happens frequently, it can result in noticeable slowdowns, interruptions, or failure in network services. Let me give you some real-world examples of network performance evaluation. Now, let's see these factors in action. Imagine you are streaming a movie. If your network has high packet loss, you will experience buffering. If the latency is high, there might be delays in video feed, making it feel like you are watching in slow motion. And if throughput is low, the video might keep pausing to buffer, disrupting the experience. By understanding these factors and how they impact each other, network engineers can troubleshoot issues and optimize network to ensure a better user experience. So, now you know what impacts network performance and the concepts behind them. But how can we improve network performance? That's what we will be exploring in the future videos. We will dive into topics like optimizing throughput, reducing latency, and maximizing packet loss. Now, in our next video, we will move on the securing networks as essential part of maintaining performance and protecting your data. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.